Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Honda Accord, and today I will show you B0090 fault code. No signal from the left front impact sensor. Okay, today I will show you in this car, Honda Accord, front impact sensor left side location. Okay, first you need to do open the car bonnet and then remove this cover. Okay, this one. One by one remove this clip. Remove this cover and then remove this cover also. Okay, and then you can see here inside, see sensor, there is a sensor, this one. This is front left impact sensor for Honda Accord. See this one here.